What is going on, y'all? Robert Sykes with Keto Savage. We are here at Keto Con live. We got the apparel booth, we got the Keto Brick booth, we got Deeper State Keto coaches Greg and Jen here.
Hey guys, Coach Keto Greg here, coming at you live from Keto Con in Austin, Texas. We've got medical panels, fitness panels, athletic performers. Everybody that's been in the ketogenic space online is pretty much here and in person.
I did my presentation yesterday. I was on a fitness panel. There's several more speakers presenting today as well. Lots of good information, lots of great people.
What an experience it has been this weekend. Well worth the flight from Toronto to Austin, Texas, to meet some outstanding individuals, to learn a ton of great information from people that I respect and admire and have been following on Instagram for a while.
So I'm not huge, bro.
Trying. So this is really community.
You get any sample of the steak?
I would definitely like to try it.
Bacon.
I mean, KetoCon is like the Super Bowl of keto events, I think. So it's fun to meet, like, see old friends again. It's like a family reunion to some extent, but also there's always new faces and get to people with new ideas and new products and different approaches.
Just the community here. Can't say enough about it. It's been an absolute blast. Really hoping to make it back next year and would love for some more Deeper State Keto folks to join us too.
Great turnout for 2022. I'm already excited about 2023. So if you didn't make it this year, make sure you come next.